Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. I'm Fatma and you're on Wellness KE. Today is an important day. It's a day of harvesting. So I wanted to just walk you guys through when I harvest my mint. As you can see, I have mint here and it looks beautiful. It actually smells really fresh. So I wanted to walk you guys through the benefits of mint, and you just get to see how I harvest it so that I can, use it later on in my smoothies, in my tea when I dry it, and also making up the oils. Okay, so let me just start off by telling you guys the benefits of mint. So as you can see, this plant is actually really healthy, but I wanted to just tell you guys why mint is healthy for you. Number one, mint is actually really rich in vitamin A, and vitamin A is really good for eyesight and for vision. So if you're trying to improve that, then it's really good for you to add mint into your diet. Something else mint is really rich in is antioxidants. This is really important because antioxidants actually help in reducing oxidative stress. And oxidative stress is actually just a state your body gets into, which is quite damaging to your cells, and you don't want that. So you actually can take mint in your smoothies, you can take them in your teas, just to make sure that you reduce oxidative stress and you increase your antioxidants intake. Mint is also really beneficial with digestion. So if you have issues with the digestive tract, for instance, people have IBS, which is irritable bowel syndrome, and this syndrome is actually really it has symptoms like gas, if you feel bloated all the time, if you have stomach pain. So mint is actually going to help you with that. And also what it does is actually gives a like relaxing feeling to your muscles, the muscles of your digestive tract. So if you do wake up in the morning feeling you're bloated, you have stomach pain, you have gas, chances are you could be having IBS, and it's good that you take mint in your diet. Something else that mint is really good for, it also helps with nasal congestion and colds and flu, and you know that right now it's actually quite cold in Nairobi, so it's really good for you to actually take some mint tea, or if you can turn your mint into peppermint oil, that would be really good because you can be able to steam and use it. So I just wanted to share with you guys some of the benefits of mint. So it's really important that we use mint in our diet constantly, and I'm just going to finish chopping up this mint, and that's it. The benefit of actually growing your own mint is the fact that you're not going to use any synthetic fertilizers, and you can control what goes into your body, what goes into the plant. So it's really important for us to remember that fact. I always try and advise people to make sure that they eat food that is clean, and when you plant it, you actually get to control what goes into it. So as you can see, this mint is ready. I'm going to wash it, and then it's going to be ready for use. So guys, this is the mint that I've harvested. It's a lot, as you can see. There's a lot that I'm going to do to it. Some of it I'm going to dry it so that I can turn it into tea, and then some of it is going to end up being used in smoothies. I'll use it as it is fresh, and also in salads. So remember, you can be able to also purchase your mint on Wellness KE. Just make sure that you comment, or you can reach out to us on all our social media platforms. So guys, this is what I have harvested, and I wanted to just show you what I get to do. So the same way you would sort your greens or your burgers, this is what I do. So I remove the mint leaves step by step. When you already wash them, this is actually really simple. If you are interested in purchasing some mint, fresh mint that's organic and also no chemicals or synthetic fertilizers put into it, you can be able to purchase, because we actually have some mint here for you guys on Wellness KE. So I was very particular about growing the mint, and also air drying it for those who want it in that state. And if you want it fresh also, you can still let me know so that I can be able to make sure that you get that. So be sure to reach out to me on Wellness KE, and you can have yourself a nice packet of mint. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.